Imagine a new type of internet that not only accurately interprets what you input, but actually understands everything you convey, whether through text, voice, or other media. One where all content you consume is more tailored to you than ever before. We are at the tipping point of a new phase in the web's evolution. Some early pioneers call it Web 3.0. Arguably, there are a few early-stage Web 3.0 applications that already exist today. But until the new internet becomes fully embedded in the web infrastructure, their true potential cannot be observed. But what exactly is Web 3.0? What will it look like, and how will it change our lives? In this video, we will discuss exactly that, but before we do so, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos like this. Now, before wasting any more time, let's begin. Web 3.0 is the next evolution of the internet, and it's coming in a big way. This isn't something that will happen in the distant future. Web 3.0 has already begun to roll out, and it will be fully established within 2 years. The driving force behind Web 3.0 is blockchain technology. Blockchain is the same technology that powers Bitcoin. It's a decentralized ledger system, or a DLT, that stores data across thousands of computers at once instead of just one server. This allows for more data storage and sharing, which means more efficient and accessible for anyone who needs it. The evolution of the web. Number 1. Web 1.0. Web 1.0 began as a static form in the 1960s with only text browsers like Elisa, followed by HTML, which made the pages more visually appealing, and the first visual browsers like Netscape and the Internet Explorer. Web 1.0 marks the first stage in the evolution of the World Wide Web. Previously, there were only a handful of content creators. However, on Web 1.0, most users were content consumers. Web 1.0 is a content delivery network, or a CDN, that enables information to be displayed on websites, best suited for use as a personal website. They charge the user based on the number of pages viewed. This includes folders that allow users to search for specific information. Number 2. Web 2.0. The term Web 2.0, which Tom O'Reilly coined in 2004, refers to the second generation of website models. Web 2.0 refers to websites worldwide that highlight user-generated content, ease of use, and interoperability for end users. This does not mean a change in the technical specifications from Web 1.0, but a difference in the design and use of websites. Web 2.0 enables interaction and collaboration in social media chat to create user-generated content in a virtual community. Web 1.0 is a more accurate version of Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is also known as the social web. Number 3. Web 3.0. Web 3.0 first appeared in 2006 in an article by Web 2.0 critic Jeffrey Zeldman with technologies such as AJAX. Web 3.0 is a term used to describe many improvements in web usage and the interaction between different paths. The data in this case is not owned but shared, and services show various views of web data. Semantic web promises to make world information more meaningful than Google's current design. This includes transforming a network into a database, a step aimed at accessing content through multiple non-browser applications, and the introduction of artificial intelligence, spatial and 3D networking technologies. Why is Web 3.0 important? The world is moving towards a future where there will be no borders. We will all be connected and everything will be virtual. This is what Web 3.0 is all about. As said earlier, Web 1.0 was all about introducing personal computers and the internet. Web 2.0 is the era of social media and social networking websites. Web 3.0 is the next phase of the internet, where it becomes an entire universe of its own. Web 3.0 is the era of blockchain technology and decentralized applications. This is when we will see the rise of blockchain-based platforms that can decentralize pretty much every aspect of our lives. According to Deloitte, digital information is placed in Web 3.0, blurring the distinction between digital content and physical objects. So the impact of Web 3.0 on businesses will be to make them more transparent and user-centric. Anything that went wrong regarding user data in corporate governance will change completely. What are the major benefits of Web 3.0? Data ownership. Over the years, technology behemoths controlled and exploited user-generated data. End users take full ownership of the data using Web 3.0 provided by the blockchain. Data spent over the network is encrypted. Users can choose what information they want to share with businesses and advertising companies and make money from it. Anti-monopoly and data protection. Web 3.0 features include professional and data protection models. It promotes non-centralized operating systems that keep control over their users' data. We're going to see a frontline shift with decentralization and privacy. The monopoly of technology behemoths is over, and data breach incidents will be few and far between now that users have control over how their data is viewed. Easy access to information. One of the main advantages of Web 3.0 is the ability to access data from anywhere, mainly due to the widespread use of smartphones and cloud applications. The vision is that the user anywhere in the world has as much access to information as possible. This technology aims to expand the concept by allowing devices to collect user data and smartphones to access data on your computer. Seamless service. The suspension of accounts and the rejection of distributed services are significantly reduced. Since there is no single predetermined breaking point, the certainties are minimal. The data is stored on distributed nodes for redundancy, and multiple backups prevent server hijacking or failure. Permissionless blockchain. Web 3.0 does not need any central power. Anyone can join and participate in the network by creating an address. This eliminates the possibility of blocking users based on gender, income, orientation, geographic location, or other social factors. It also enables the timely and inexpensive transfer of digital assets and assets across borders. What are the main features of Web 3.0? Many technologies have to unite and come to the fore, which means that the combination of blockchain technology will not be enough. The emerging technologies of our time are becoming the core component of Web 3.0 for the decentralized and semantic web. The following are 5 essential features that can help us define Web 3.0. Number 1. The semantic web. The semantic web is the next step in the evolution of the web that enables the functionality and accessibility of the websites. The semantic web allows users to be more precise and effective when searching for content, allowing them to search for data based on exact meaning rather than keywords or page numbers. Number 2. Artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence is becoming just that, intelligent by combining machines with humans. And it's doing so exactly when humans need a helping hand to search or explore the web successfully. Bringing artificial intelligence and natural language processing together with Web 3.0 businesses of all sizes across the globe, it can use this powerful combination to give their customers faster and more relevant results. So they aren't distracted during the critical workflow processes that they must regularly complete as part of their job responsibilities. Number 3. 3D graphics. In today's digital landscape, 3D design is widely used. It's common to see it used in art, gaming, and animation. Also, web designers are starting to use 3D imagery to make websites more engaging and immersive. In Web 3.0, three-dimensional design is revolutionizing online work. It's transforming many industries by providing added 3D graphics on the internet. These range from museum guides, computer games, e-commerce, and so much more. Number 4. Connectivity. Web 3.0, or the semantic web, is a system in which data link everything, not just any data, but data that machines can understand. This information was previously hidden from visitors, but it has now been made available to employees and users to improve usability. As a result, a higher level of connectivity is permitted, allowing user experience to evolve automatically to take advantage of the additional data. Number 5. Ubiquity. The internet is becoming faster, and thus internet-connected computers are becoming more efficient. Everything from Bluetooth devices to watches, drones, and lamps is linked to the internet. The services can be accessed anytime and anywhere using a mobile phone or computer. The internet has changed the world for the better in many ways. The semantic web is the next step in the evolution of the internet, and it will ensure that we are always able to take advantage of its benefits and avoid its frustrations. Web 3.0 is essential because it allows businesses to streamline their operations. By cutting out the middleman and directly connecting computers, this facilitates communication and collaboration between employees, partners, and customers, making for a more efficient business.